Thank you for purchasing the Body Armor Vent Retrofit Kit, a patent-pending ventilation system for all concealable body armor and plate carriers. In this video, we will show you how to install your body armor vent onto a plate carrier. For this demonstration, we will be using Shellback Tactical's Elite 2.0 plate carrier. It's very important the inside surface where you mount the panel is clean, dry, and free of oils before applying the adhesive hook tape. To begin, first fully inflate the panel. With the soft fabric side up, cut individual strips of the supplied hook tape to fit the sides, top, and bottom of the panel. Once you have all of your cut pieces, peel off the backing and firmly press the hook tape onto the carrier surface. Use the backing to slide along the hook tape to ensure a tight bond with the fabric. For plate carriers like this Shellback with raised sections, it's better to run longer hook strips vertically for better center airflow. For plate carriers with flat surfaces, the hook tape can be placed horizontally as well as vertically, as shown here. With the soft fabric side of the panel facing the armor surface, press the panel into place, making sure you apply firm pressure along all hook tape placements. After installation, no exposed hook tape should show outside the panel, as this could snag on your clothing and pull the adhesive tape off the carrier surface. If it's exposed, simply pull the body armor vent back, peel up the hook tape, replace the tape to a proper position, and then replace the body armor vent on top, securing firmly back. You have now installed your body armor vent into your armor. The same instructions may also be followed for installation into a concealable vest. Visit bodyarmorvent.com to learn more about the retrofit kit or view additional videos on inflation and preparation of the retrofit kit to be installed into your existing body armor.